Herbaceous Belle coming in with a quick breakfast treat. I'm going to be making some old-fashioned banana pudding style oatmeal. If you want to see how I compile this and put it together, stay tuned. Alright, so my ingredients are a half a cup of old-fashioned oats, you see here. Also some vanilla wafers, some sweetened banana chips, and the piece de resistance in this recipe will be the banana flavored emulsion. It gives a very strong, delicious banana flavor. I just love this stuff. And also over here, I'm starting to boil a full cup of spring water, and I added in some sea salt. So we're just going to let this come to a boil. Then I'm going to add in my old-fashioned oats, and I'll be back in and let you know how this comes together. Okay, so now I'm just adding in my oats. Stir, stir, stir. Now I'm going to add in a capful of this banana emulsion. A little goes a long way, trust me, on this stuff. I may add a little bit more. My sweetener of choice is going to be a couple of the sweet stevia packets. I love stevia, so I'm going to add in a couple of packets of these. But you do it to your taste. Alright, my old-fashioned banana oatmeal is done, and now I'm going to get her in the bowl and get her topped off. It's all done. I just topped her with some banana chips, some crushed vanilla wafers, and just a couple of cookies in there for effect. I'll probably take them out. I probably won't eat them. But the crushed cookies, yeah, I'm going to eat that. Alright, y'all have a blessed day. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and subscribe if you would like to see more upcoming videos. I will be posting more videos coming up soon for the holidays and just anytime. Shalom.